Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can import things from Figma into Shopify, so let's get right into it. For this, we're going to be using a third-party app called Instant, so go ahead and install it for Shopify if you don't already have it. And as you can see, once that's installed, it'll take you over to this page, and here I have an element that I've copied over previously. I'm just going to go ahead and delete it. But yeah, we're going to be using this here project, and you can only have Instant running on one project at a time, so just connect whichever one you make to Shopify, and then you can use this to publish it on your Shopify site. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to go over into Figma. So just go and search Figma on the internet, and you can click Figma to Shopify with Instant if you already installed it. This is just my history, but you can go over into Figma and enable the app from there. But I'm just going to click on this, and once that loads up, it'll appear in the store page. Click Open In and select the project that you want. So let's say, for example, I want that one that I selected. It's just called Figma to Shopify with Instant and Community. And now we're going to just delete this, and we're going to go over and search for Instant. There we go. Click this. And now that's going to open up this window right here. Now what we're going to do, since this is empty, we're going to create a few layers, or I'm going to create this layer and add a rectangle over just as an example. And then once we're done with that, go over into layers and copy the topmost or the bottommost layer that you want. In this case, it's the topmost, as you can see, frame 1, but it depends on what your point of view is. Pretty much the frame or the layer that is all the way in the background and everything over it. You're just going to click on that frame and then click Copy Design. And as you can see, it copied 2 layers. Then we're going to go over back into Instant, right click and paste. And you're going to need to go ahead and go into your theme editor in Shopify, and you're going to enable embedding. So just go into Customize and then go over into App Embeds. And then you're going to need to search for Instant, make sure it's enabled, and save it once you enable it, or else it won't work. But yeah, what we're going to do, since that's copied, go over back into Instant, have that copied. Then once the embed is enabled, click Publish, and it's going to publish the page. And once that's done, now if I go over and go into Pages, and you're going to have an Instant page right over here. You can rename it in the future. But as you can see, our element has been copied over pretty flawlessly, and that is basically all you need to do. It is as easy as that. It does take a few extra steps. It does take creating a few extra accounts. You do need an account for Instant and Figma as well. So go ahead and make them if you didn't before you start this tutorial. But yeah, once you have everything set up and you connect everything, that is literally the process that you need to go through. And once you do, you'll be at this point, and that's all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.